Back everyone, you may be in a situation where your left AirPod for some reason just isn't working, whether it's not connecting or it's not being properly used or whatever the case is. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons as always. The first thing I'd recommend doing is to make sure that around your left AirPod there isn't any like earwax or anything stuck on the bottom of this specific, charging portion. And you may want to clean out the other area of this specific AirPod as well. There's earwax here, if there's earwax and dust stuck everywhere, just go ahead and clean it all out and make sure your AirPods are totally clean. Because even if your AirPods are charged up, sometimes there can be a lot of dust and stuff stuck in the AirPods that it doesn't detect when it's in your ear. Now let's say this AirPod is clean. The next thing you want to do is open up your charging case and you want to look inside of this specific hole right there. Now you want to also make sure there's not a lot of dust and stuff stuck in this specific hole either. If there is, then obviously that pretty much sums up the problem. You need to get like a cotton swab or something and clean out the inside of this specific hole right here. Now let's say that isn't an issue, that doesn't seem to be clogged up either. Well, what you want to do then is you want to go ahead and plug your AirPod back into here once it's fully connected. You want to go ahead and close this and you want to go ahead and charge up this case. If the case is charging and everything else is fine, but your left AirPod is still causing issues, well, at that point, what you want to do is you want to repair your AirPods to your specific iPhone or Android. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to open up your case. You want to flip your AirPods to the back of the case right here. You want to hold down this back button right here until the white light on the front starts blinking. Now these AirPods are actually dead, but you want to go ahead and do that until you get the white light. Then you want to grab your iPhone or Android and you want to reconnect. You want to reconnect these AirPods to those devices via your Bluetooth settings, or you can bring your devices close to one another. At that point, you should be good to go and these should be working. These AirPods are still not connecting and they're still not working. Well, these AirPods may actually have a problem. Maybe you dropped them, maybe the battery died on them or whatever, and you may want to go ahead and send it into Apple for repair. But typically you should be good to go for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.